Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got something really different for you compared to my usual type of videos. It is a collaboration video with 5 other YouTubers and we're going to be doing palette bingo. I'm so excited and nervous and worried. Oh my goodness. So who is taking part, I hear you ask? Well, let me tell you. So we have got the lovely Julie Barber, Charmed Wench, Lightning Lass, The Wacky World of Lottie and Kimberly Anon. So I'm going to post a link to all their channels down below, so please do pop over and see them and support them and watch their videos as well to see what looks they have created. I've changed rooms today because I've gone into my spare room. I thought the light was a little bit better because as you can see I've only got some of my makeup on. I've done my base already. No eyeshadow on, no lipstick on. So I'll do the lipstick once I know what colours are going in my eyes, just to try and create a whole look. So what I have done, I've decided to use the TAMMI palette. Let me open it. And I've chosen this because I'm bonkers, but mainly because it's got such fabulous colours. Let me just show you here. Look at these colours. I have done a separate video on this if you want to have a look at that, but I could have gone safe. But if you're going to do a palette bingo, you need to just choose something that's going to be a little bit scary. So those are my colours. So how I'm going to do it is, I'm going to number all of these from the top row. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11 to 20 there, then 21, 22, 23. So, and I'm going to use random.org to select my colours. So I've got a little book and a pen because I am rubbish and I will forget what I have chosen. So I think, yeah, I'm going to choose 5 colours and I need to include all 5 colours on my eye, however I choose to do that. So, I'm nervous. I've got it up here. I wanted to have it here to show you as I do it so you know that I'm not cheating. So, oh, this is hard with this hand. So I've got, I don't know if you can see, I've got 1 to 23 in the box and it says generate. So my first colour is going to be 21, which is good because I'm pretty sure, well, it's a bit pale. So 21 is this one here because that's 1 to 20 and this is 21 here. So this is really pale, so I think I've got off lucky there. So let me just write that down. Right then, so let's generate another number. Where are we? Oops. Number 3. Don't know if you can see that. And that is this one here. So it is this orange shade. That's nice, and it matches kind of what I'm wearing today, so that's lucky. Right, my next number is number 6. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, do you know what? I'm getting that off so lightly. It's this pinky shimmery shade. So that's quite nice. Oh, I thought I was going to have all crazy colours, although there are still 3 more colours to choose. So next one is, whoops, $19. Let's have a look here. Oh, I spoke too soon. It is this blue shade here. Wow, I don't think I've even used that yet. That's a really nice colour though. It's 19. 2 more colours to choose. So we've got number 4, which is, so it's this one here, this sort of rosy coloured one. That's not too bad. And then my last colour, oh no, that's it, that's 5. Oh, I was going to do 6. That's cheating. So yeah, I've got, so we've got here, we've got this orange, and this one next to it. So there's 1, 2, and then number 6 is, oh, do you know I'm going to be alright? That one, and then I've got this one, and this one. So I think I'm alright. So I'm going to go get my brushes. I'll be back in a minute. Right then, so I'm just going to start off by doing that shade here, which was the first one out, number 21, and I'm just going to pop it all over my lid. Now you have to excuse me if I look over here because I've got my mirror over here and I'm so blind. I'm no good just with the viewfinder. There, so that's not really done much, but I suppose if anything it's created a base for my colour to come up. So I think next what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this orangey shade, which was my number 3, and I think I'm going to pop that into the crease, like I know what I'm talking about. Let me get my brushes. Excuse my brushes, they all really need washing, but I can't wash them at the moment with my broken arm, so I have got my little swirly thing here just to clean my brushes, and I've got a cotton wool pad here just to make sure that they are really clean, and I've got no other colour on them. So yeah, I'm just gonna dip into that, tap it off. Right, then here goes. Let's see, it's gonna start off quite light. This brush here I've got is part of the set I got from Beauty Bay, their eyeshadow set, so they're really nice. Now I normally only wear like a couple of colours, so having to put 5 colours on my eye is really scary for me. I literally normally just put a bit of lid colour on and then just pop a little bit on the outer edge, so this is like completely out my comfort zone. I don't normally do all transitions and creases and all of that. I'm very much a boring makeup person, I think, really. I'm not very sort of skilled at putting it on, and it kind of freaks me out, all these sort of lots and lots of colours and things. So we'll see how we get on. This just, I might change brush. This just, I don't know. I might just try another one and see how we go. It's all about blending, isn't it? Blend, blend, blend. It's a really nice day here today, but it's windy, but it's bright. Just going to take a cleanish brush and just blend that a wee bit more. This is a Spectrum one that I got ages ago in my Birchbox, and just pop a bit of that. I like this one just for my crease. It sort of seems to go in really nicely. I wouldn't normally wear like an orange. Right. It's looking a mess already. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to put this, the number 6 that I got. So put that number 6 there. I'm going to put that all over my lid, I think. And then once I've got that on, then I can work out what I'm going to do. Let's get a flat brush. Just give it a bit of a clean. Okay, so I've got a flat brush here. So as I said, I'm going to get that number 6 shade. So it's a very pinky. Oh, actually, it's not as bad as I thought. It's not. Gosh, this is such a subtle look. So that isn't much. I'm going to try that with my finger and see if that makes it a little bit brighter. That's better. Often with shimmers, if you can't get much colour payoff with a brush, just dip your finger in and do it like that. There, that's... I wouldn't normally wear pink shimmer like this colour, I don't think. But you never know. It might all come together. Right, what I'm going to do now, because there was that deeper pink, I'm going to pop that in my outer corner. So that was here, the number 4. So let's get a smaller brush. So I've just got a little Revolution brush here, and I'll get some of that deeper pink shade. Let's just maybe work that into the crease. Does anyone else pull ridiculous faces when they put makeup on? Oh gosh. To be fair, I suppose I'm quite lucky because at least these colours do go together, and if somebody that could put them on properly, they'd probably look alright. It's all starting to look a bit muddy. I think what I do want to sort of try and put a bit more of that orange, I think, back in, because it's kind of been lost a bit, which I'll sort in a second. I think eventually I need to try and get a proper setup with, I don't know, being sat more square on, but maybe I just need a mirror behind my camera, and then that would just sort everything. So maybe I shall get all organised one day. If I start doing more makeup looks, that's something I'll definitely look at. For now, for my unboxings and things, I kind of manage as I am, I think, really. Okay, so that's on there. Just pop a bit more of that on again, just to brighten it up. Especially over there, just to blend those edges a little bit. So I could just do with a little bit more orange. So just to add that there, I will blend it in a second. I've got to go to town. I don't know what I'm going to do with this eye look. Oh, blimey. At least I've got a fringe. I can try and conceal it a little bit. I'm not taking it off, I've done it. So, right, let's blend this. It's different, that's for sure. It's not my normal. And I think I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and just of that first shade, the very pale one, and just try and lift that under my brow a bit. That's not so bad. Good old fingers, you don't need brushes. Okay. That's starting to come together a little bit, I think. Okay, so my last colour I have to use is this blue. Wow. And I know what I'm going to do with that one. So I have got a more detailed brush here. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a clean, make sure it's fine. So I'm going to take a bit of that. Oh heck, it's really powdery, that one. And let's pop it on the lower lash line. Because nobody said you couldn't put it on the bottom of your eyes. And I think I might just bring it in here a bit, just to help smirk it out. She says. It might look better once I've got all my mascara and stuff on. And I need to open my mouth to put it on. It's actually quite a nice colour, that. I do like that. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of the deeper pink again and just help just to blend that in, just to soften that a bit. And I think let's pop a little bit of the pink shimmer just on the inside bit there, on the inner third. Right, I think what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go and do the rest of my makeup. We'll come back and we shall see if it looks any better. Oh, I don't want to do any more. It looks so muddy. I'm going to go stick my mascara on and things. I'm going to be back in a minute. So here is the finished look. But I think what I am going to do, I'm just going to pop a little bit of that lightest shade into my inner corner just to see if I can lift it a little bit. So I've got a really small brush here just to try and, yeah, create a little bit more sort of space on my inner eye. And there we go. So all I did, I just popped a little bit of black line along the top of my mascara, popped my lippy on. What do I think? I think it looks a little bit muddy, but considering they're all completely random colours, I think they've gone together really well. I'm not sure if it's a look I would wear every day or indeed again. But I don't hate it, and it's made me use colours in the palette that I wouldn't normally use. So I think it's actually a really good thing to try. Even if you're not doing it as part of a collaboration, just pick some random colours and just put them on your eyes and see how they turn out. And sometimes it's going to work and sometimes it's not. I think this is maybe something I might continue to do myself, actually, maybe on a monthly basis, and just, you know, just sort of use palettes that I'm not normally using just to see if I can get some different looks and things, or when I'm getting bored of a palette. So I think it's all right. I hope it's been okay for you to watch, and as I said, I will link all the other YouTubers down below who are also taking part, so yeah, pop over and see them. If you've enjoyed this type of video, do let me know in the comments. You know I love to read all your comments and I work really hard to try and reply to everybody. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe, hit the bell notification, and then I would love to see you back again for my next video. Take care for no, can't speak. Take care for now, guys, and see you all again later. Bye. Bye.